Welcome to this video on Oracle Flexcube, presented by Hope Infotech. Oracle Flexcube is a powerful core banking solution from Oracle Corporation. It efficiently manages financial institution operations, supporting retail, corporate, and investment banking with advanced automation, real-time processing, and seamless integration. Why choose Oracle Flexcube? It offers real-time transaction processing for faster banking operations and is a highly scalable platform supporting business growth. Additionally, it provides advanced security features to protect sensitive financial data and systems. Implementing Flexcube can be complex, involving challenges like data migration and system integration. However, these issues can be solved with careful planning and expert guidance. A phased implementation approach, experienced consultants, and regular training ensure a smooth deployment and long-term success. Flexcube offers numerous benefits, including improved operational efficiency through automation and enhanced customer experiences via real-time services. It also ensures strong regulatory compliance, high scalability for growth, and advanced analytics for better decision-making. Key features include real-time transaction processing and improved customer experience through seamless digital services. It ensures high security, supports multi-channel banking, offers strong compliance tools, and reduces manual work through automation. Various job roles utilize Oracle Flexcube. Core banking manages daily operations, system analysts translate requirements into solutions, and technical consultants handle customization and integration. Support engineers provide ongoing support, and implementation specialists lead deployment. In conclusion, Oracle Flexcube is a leading core banking solution that enhances efficiency, customer experience, and regulatory compliance. Its scalability and digital capabilities make it ideal for modern banking transformation and sustained success. To learn more about Oracle Flexcube, contact Hope Infotech. You can reach us by phone at +91 9,951,609,609. Visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com or email us at info@hopeinfotech.com. Thank you for choosing Hope Infotech for your learning journey and career growth support. We offer expert training, real-time projects, and placement support to help you build your future and succeed confidently.